My name is Aaron, and I'm here on behalf of the Michigan Association of CPAs and the Accounting Aid Society. Their unpaid volunteers want to help you understand if you qualify and how to apply for certain benefits related to your pension. A little later in this video, I'll let you know how to speak to one of those volunteers for help if you need it. Pensions for City of Detroit retirees were affected as a result of the city's bankruptcy. As part of the settlement, money was set aside to help pensioners who may fall below poverty level. First, let's see if you qualify, because this is the only time you can apply, and your application must be postmarked by December 31st. To qualify for income stabilization benefits, you must be a City of Detroit retiree, be age 60 or older as of the date of the city's plan of adjustment, which will occur in December of 2014. The exact effective date will be available at www.rscd.org when it is confirmed. Have an income for 2013 that is not more than the number in this chart for the number of people living in your home in 2013. If you answered no to any of these questions, you do not qualify for additional benefits. However, if you answered yes to all three questions, let's move on to the next step, because you should definitely apply if you think you might qualify. Did you file a Michigan tax return for 2013? If so, simply check the box under Fast Application on the form you received with your December 1st pension check. Then, sign and mail your application by December 31st. You're all done. However, if you did not file a Michigan tax return in 2013, that's okay. You just need to find two key pieces of information from your federal tax return so you can complete the alternative application section of the form you received. And don't worry if you don't have a federal return. We'll let you know a little later what else you can do. You need your 2013 adjusted gross income and the number of exemptions you claimed on your 2013 federal tax return. If you have your 2013 federal tax return, you can find your adjusted gross income on line 37 on the U.S. 1040 form, line 21 on the U.S. 1040A form, or line 4 on the U.S. 1040EZ form. The number of exemptions you claimed in 2013 can be found on line 6D on the U.S. 1040 form and the U.S. 1040A form. There is no line entry for exemptions on the U.S. 1040EZ form. You will either have one exemption if you filed as single, or two if you filed as married filing jointly. If you do not have a copy of your 2013 federal tax return, you can find forms at www.irs.gov. Simply find a U.S. 1040 or 1040A form and complete the first page to determine your 2013 adjusted gross income and the number of exemptions you had in 2013. Then, write those two numbers on the alternative application section of the form you received. Instructions for completing U.S. tax forms can also be found at www.irs.gov. If you cannot complete the forms and require assistance, volunteers from the Michigan Association of CPAs and the Accounting Aid Society are available to help you through this process. Call the Detroit Income Stabilization Benefit Program hotline at 313-879-4771 for assistance. If you have general questions about your pension, please call the Detroit Retirement Systems at 800-339-8344. Thank you very much.